Years, politicians were ready to claim credit when there were plenty of jobs to go round. Fair enough when we lived in half-closed economies which could be tinkered with and fine-tuned. But the new global economy is a 500-pound gorilla. It's too big to be pushed around by governments, too massive to be told, create jobs, here. The results could terrify us all. Some people have seen the future, and it stinks.
There will be mass unemployment, therefore there will be large numbers of dispossessed people. Every time there's a major social change, the agrarian revolution, the industrial revolution, large numbers of the population became dispossessed and they just wandered around the countryside, causing trouble. And it's going to happen again.
Well, fascists, County Court bailiff, I'm here from Stratford. From Stratford County Court, and I have a warrant for repossession of this land.
In the death throes of the nation state, we will be seeing the politicians using legitimate violence against their population in order to try to pacify it, to keep it under. And because they won't be able to give them goodies anymore, the only other thing they can do is to beat them. It's carrot and stick, you know. But it's no longer carrot, now it's going to be all stick.
But nobody ever got elected promising all stick and no carrots. As globalization pushes the nation-state aside, Western politicians must strike a new deal if they still want to promise us a secure and prosperous future. Once it was nation-states and governments which moved most money around the globe. Now it's the big corporations and investors, through a network of economic hotspots linked by electronic pulses, voices, faxes, computerized cash, all creating an entirely different world order.
If I wanted to create a map of the future, that map would not be a single piece of paper. Imagine a map on a plane, on a flat map with, just as it now exists, showing, quote, nations, however that is misdefined. But at the next level, there's another piece of flat paper, and it shows the distribution of non-governmental civil society organizations, of corporations. Where are they? Who are they? What are their networks? Then at another level, I would show where the global communication networks are. Where does CNN reach? Where does BBC reach? Where do the others reach? Where are the new ones coming up in Asia, for example? Then there would be another level. Where do the transnational criminal and narcotics syndicates operate? It is not simply a global society, which suggests, again, a single level. It's a multi-dimensional process. It's layer upon layer upon layer of complexity. And unless we understand that, we're going to see very strange and very unpleasant things happen to us.
For China's new rich, there's nothing unpleasant about it. Cities are filling up with wealthy entrepreneurs who want the same lifestyle as wealthy entrepreneurs the world over. The new threat to Parliament is that power is steadily draining away from those who once held it. Inevitably, the nation-state is becoming the hollow state. The people we elect to run it are having to come to terms with being less and less central to our lives. No country, even the biggest, can control the global forces working all around us. Government can do less to protect us. It can't promise to find us work. It can't keep us healthy and happy all our days. We have to do it for ourselves. The bigger the world becomes, the more we're on our own.